Tandikiro Airtel Money nyangu ya buliwo ate yesigika.
Airtel, the smartphone network.
Tukwenyumirizaamu okuba ng'okyali naffe ku Dota TV kitundu kya kusatu ekya amasukulumu. Abalimi n'abalunzi ne bannayuganda bonna okutwaliza awamu bakubiriziddwa okwettanira enkola empya mu magezi amapya ag'ennima ey'omulembe okusobola okufunamu magoba amangi ate n'okuvuganya katale. Patrick Luganda ng'akulira ekibiina kya African Farmer Media Link Center ne Eco System Based Adaptations for Food Security in Africa program yakubiriza bannayuganda bw'ati abadde ku mukolo gw'okutongoza ekitabo ekiyitibwa Making Africa Work Through the Power of Innovative Volunteerism.
That is paradoxical. But these challenges provide an opportunity. They inspire me. And that is actually the reason why I wrote this book titled Making Africa Work Through the Power of Innovative Volunteerism. Because the challenges that I've enumerated, they give me personal encouragement. They tell me one thing, that Africa is a place to be. Despite these challenges, Africa is a place to be because there is an African proverb, as you will see as I open chapter 4 of the book, that in every adversity there are seeds of equal or even higher benefit. And what that tells us is that Africa is a place to be if you want to build yourself. Africa is a place to be if you want to build yourself. It is a place to be if you want your talents to count. Africa is a place to be if you want your dreams, if you want to dream and see your dreams come to fruition. Africa is a place to be. It tells me that it is the right place if you want your life to count. Why am I saying this? Because there is the African proverb, as you will see in the book, which tells us that do not look at where you fell, but where you slipped. If you fall down here, you don't need to look where you fall down.